Proceeding to the semifinals.
Yeah, everyone's still in it. That's why every game is so important. FEU has a chance to tie Ateneo if they win this game.
And so the ball game fielding the pass. Mongkopa is an inside-outside threat. And Konate, of course, he is such a stalwart in the paint for Coach Sean Chambers. Fielding the pass. Mongkopa is an inside-outside threat. And Konate, of course, he is such a stalwart in the paint for Coach Sean Chambers.
Their paint defensively on the other end.
First possession for the Tamaraws and Remogat. And you can appreciate it as a shooter. Bautista. Tied ball game at 2 apiece. A swipe by Jedrick Daa. And Daa goes all the way for the slam. This dunk of the game is brought to you by Dunkin. Pasalubong ng bayan. And parang yung buwelo niya. Oh, diba? Parang pareho tayo.
Okay.
Yes, bad intentions, huh?
Okay.
For this game of 2-point lead for FEU. Remogat and touch passing for the Fighting Maroons, and Belmonte with a smooth touch.
Using his body to position himself.
Battle for the loose ball. And it ends up with the Tamaraws. Good job by Joric Bautista. Here's Kirby Mongkopa with a pull-up. That's good.
Next shot is always in. That's the mentality.
You forget the miss and you take the next shot. Nice quick move by Jerry Abadiano. That layup earlier off the baseline move. And then Abadiano now pulling up. That's a tough shot.
Abadiano is extra aggressive.
Parang dyan na nagkakaroon ng pagkakaiba.
Exactly, yeah. And FEU has one of the top starting fives for sure. I think they lead the league.
3 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Tamaraws down by 6. Alarcon with a rebound. Quick forward pass. Jacob Baila will sky and score.
And that's always been the key for UP is their defense. They start on defense and that fuels their transition game.
Excellent move by Francis Noruka.
Check out this move. Francis Noruka. Post up, drop, step. Not much you can do there. Picking up full court.
Mongkopa way outside. Under a minute remaining in the opening quarter. Nice shot for Kirby Mongkopa. He has 4 points. It's all about learning, non-stop learning, relearning as Noruka fires. And he beats the buzzer.
Everything going well for UP right now, both defensively and offensively.